Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the world of VPNs. That's virtual private networks for those of you new to the term. So what exactly is a VPN? In simple terms, a VPN creates a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. This means your online activity is encrypted and protected from prying eyes. Now imagine you're at a coffee shop using free Wi-Fi. Sounds great, right? But public Wi-Fi is often a goldmine for hackers. A VPN ensures your data stays secure, even on public networks. Plus, it masks your IP address, making your online actions virtually untraceable. But that's not all. VPNs have another fantastic use: accessing geo-restricted content. Ever tried to watch a show only to find it's unavailable in your country? A VPN can make it look like you're browsing from a different location, granting you access to content worldwide. It's like having a passport to the entire internet. VPNs are also crucial for maintaining privacy. With data breaches and online surveillance becoming more common, protecting your personal information is more important than ever. A VPN ensures that your online activities remain private and secure. So whether you're looking to secure your connection, access more content, or maintain your privacy, a VPN is an essential tool in today's digital age. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Stay safe and connected. What's Z?